today we're making fish tacos. And they are a culmination of several other recipes that I've done, and I'm putting them together to show you how you can throw those things together into a fish taco. So let me just kind of go through some of the things that are different about the taco that add to, I guess, the other recipes and how they come together. So in a prior episode, we did some baked basa. And that basa, it was a light fish fillet, like a white fish fillet. And we spiced that up and breaded it a little bit and baked it in the oven at a high temp for probably 30 minutes or so. And then we also put together a chopped vegetable bowl that consisted of cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions, and tossed that with some olive oil and some lime and spices, some chili lime, and tossed that around. And you're going to see that almost Pico de Gallo vegetable mix, but we're not going to redo the fish baking video. But for this one, we're going to take those two things, and then we're going to take some baby spring lettuce mix and use some of that in the tacos, and also shredded cheese. I used the Mexican blend that is available at my supermarket where they've already got it combined and shredded. So that, and then also the tortillas. So I really love these tortillas. They're called Mixla, not a sponsor, just a tortilla that I like. They're called Mixla because they are both corn and flour. So it's a mix between a corn tortilla and a flour tortilla, and I like the consistency of it, especially when you microwave it. It gets really soft. It's not as like tearing apart as the flour tortilla, but it's not as stiff as the corn tortilla. It kind of has the, for me anyway, the best of both worlds. If you love corn tortillas, you love flour tortillas, definitely use the tortilla that you love. I'm not here to sell you on a new tortilla. I'm just saying that I like Mixlas, and I like the way that they're both chewy and they hold together without being crunchy. I'm not a big crunchy hard taco fan. I like soft tacos. That's another thing. If you're the hard taco person, just go get yourself some hard tacos. I'm the soft taco person. So I'm using the Mixlas. You'll see them in this video. We're going to be adding the shredded cheese, the baby spring mix, the chopped, I'm calling it Pico de Gallo. It does not have jalapenos in it. It does not have cilantro in it. It's just the tomato, onion, and cucumber. And then we're adding our baked basa, and then we are putting on some salsa, and it is just these magnificent fish tacos. And I'm really glad that I tried the basa, because now that I feel comfortable cooking that basa, that white fish, I now can do fish tacos, and awesome fish tacos. I think also another thing, I didn't use cilantro in these, and I didn't use avocado, but I already know that next time I make them, I'm going to be getting avocado and cilantro. If I was serving them for guests, there would be cilantro and avocado in it, unless my guests did not like cilantro, which some people don't. So if you're the person that doesn't like cilantro, you're probably like, no, I'm going to stick to this recipe today because I am not adding cilantro to that thing. But I'm a cilantro lover, so I will be adding it in the future along with the avocado. So that's just me. And with that, let's look at assembling and making these fish tacos. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you'd like to support the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. That'll make sure that you see a lot more cottage content on your feed for YouTube. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks.